She got voted off, but she was saved. Why? Because she was worthy of being saved.
Wala nang Domicilio nang nakipagpatang si Jessica Phillips sa finale ng American Idol. Pati po kumapayag na sa samang-gataan, sama-samang nanonood at sumuporta sa kanya.
Turn around.
Si Jessica bilang una